How to fix Deepseek login problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to fix a Deepseek login problem, you could follow these steps. First thing first, you always need to check your internet connection, as sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. So you want to scroll down from the top and then long press onto the internet. And here you want to make sure to refresh or restart, and that should be able to help as well. Now, other than that, what you also want to do is check your credentials. Sometimes when you're trying to log into your Deepseek account, you might have or you must have entered an incorrect credential. So there might be a typo error, or you might have forgotten the password and you're trying with the incorrect one. So you could either go ahead and reset your password, or you could try another way to log into your account. Next, what you want to do is, if the issue still persists on, you can also use the browser version of it. If you want to use the browser version of it, open up any browser that you have, type in Deepseek on the web address bar, and this is going to take you to their official page, and that should be able to help you as well. Next, if you're trying or if you're using any sort of VPN or any sort of extension, that might also be one of the issues. So you might want to make sure to disable that, and it should definitely help you out. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.